Oh, good boys. We've been looking for a lawn edger for a while, and I found this on Amazon. It was 50 bucks. It looked like it was a return, but they said it was in excellent condition, so we're gonna go ahead and take a gamble on it. All right, my guess is that somebody got this and figured out, see, it has never been used. Sure doesn't look like it, at least. They probably thought they were getting a battery and it's corded, and so it got returned. But anyway, even if this wasn't a return, the regular price of this is less than half of what a battery operated one is. I'll take that discount all day long. We're gonna go with the corded version. But edging is just pretty much straight line stuff, so the cord's not really gonna play a factor. We're gonna assemble this, review it, and see how it works. I'm a pretty big fan of Greenwork stuff. This is really pretty substantial as far as its weight goes, which is good because you want the blade to have that substance as it's cutting into the ground, not jumping all over the place. Okay, so it comes with these heavy-duty rubber pieces are just to keep the cord from getting damaged. I wish you could feel these rubber things are super substantial. Line up the holes, put the bolt back through. Same thing on this one. Comes with two cord protectors. Like so, and put this on. Typically you don't want to overdo tightening on these. And the handle, that'll just be an adjustment. Okay, so this goes up and down. Hey, if you're getting anything out of this, go ahead and hit the like button. We really appreciate it. Oh, sweet, it's already on. We're not sponsored by them, but they make this stuff so easy to assemble. So we're good to go. Let's go give it a try. All right, so this is your adjustment wheel, and this came screwed into that right there. I'm going to take that out. This can pivot down here like so. And so that has a spring on it. And I'll show you the spring. When you feed this through, it's got to go through that. That's your spring adjustment. Or this knob has to go through that and then through this hole. So we'll just line those all together. We'll just kind of put it midway, I guess, and just see how it does. All right, to go ahead and add the extension cord, we're just going to go ahead and make a loop, stick it through that hole, and we hook it over that hook. And now, when you plug it in, that's going to keep it from getting pulling on the plug itself because it's looped through there. There we go. And we're ready to give it a try. All right, I chose to put the adjustment wheel right here at max depth. So that means the blade will cut deepest. And all we have to do is put our wheel there right on the edge of the sidewalk, and we're good to go. I'll just say that right there is amazing. It is absolutely zero effort. So yeah, this is the bomb. All right, there you go. I was doing that all one-handed, and it's absolutely no extra effort at all. The machine's really doing all the work. It's more than heavy enough to hold its own place. Yeah, I think anybody could use this. It's really a nice piece of equipment. My wife was really wanting this done, so that's going to be pretty cool. She'll love it. The price you can't beat. The extension cord is zero issue whatsoever. And when those blades get worn out, they're pretty easy to change. Just that bolt right there. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.